Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cream egg brownies. Let's begin. To start, place your butter into a heat-proof bowl and melt it in the microwave until it's melted. Then go ahead and add your cocoa powder and whisk the two together until they are very well combined, so they'll go from looking rough to a very smooth and glossy mixture. This is what you're looking for. Then you can go ahead and add your sugar and mix this in until it's fully incorporated. It does change the consistency and makes it much more granular. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Then you can go ahead and add in all of the eggs and whisk until they are fully incorporated. This will help alleviate that granular feeling to the batter and it'll make it much smoother and glossier. Don't forget to add your vanilla and whisk it in until it's fully incorporated. Once that's incorporated, you can then go ahead and add in your flour and chocolate and mix that in until it's fully incorporated. Being careful not to over mix the mixture, as otherwise your brownies will be a tough texture and this is not what you're looking for in a good brownie. So minimal mixing just until everything is fully incorporated. You can then go ahead and transfer the brownie batter into your 9-inch square cake tin, which has been lined with some parchment paper, and then you can go ahead and spread and level it out as best as you possibly can. This will just help with the consistency of baking, so it'll all be the same doneness all over. Now this part is optional, but I like to go ahead and add dollops of white chocolate on top, and this is just to replicate that kind of cream egg filling in colours, not flavour, as a cream egg has a fondant filling and this is white chocolate spread. So I like to place 9 dollops on top, so it'd be 1 for each brownie portion. You can add as many or as few as you like. Then into the centre I also like to add a small amount of orange coloured white chocolate spread, which just adds to that, making it more of an egg effect. And then I just take a knife and swirl it all around so you've got that perfect balance of the chocolate brownie, the chocolate spread, and then once later on you'll have the cream egg. So this just adds a little bit of colour and flavour. It's completely optional, you don't have to do it if you don't want to. So here are what the brownies look like before they go into the oven. I will leave all the baking times, temperatures and everything else you need in a blog post which will be linked down below. And here are what the brownies look like once they are baked. You can still see the swirls that we placed earlier on. While they're still hot and fresh from the oven, place on your cream egg halves. For me, it's 9 halves or 4.5 full cream eggs. To make the cream eggs easier to slice up, I like to place mine into the fridge overnight. You can then go ahead and cut them up. It makes it much easier and you'll have a much denser and fudgier brownie, which is the only way to enjoy a brownie. So cut them up however you like. I'm going with squares, but feel free to do it however you like. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all of my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.